I am the worst snacker of all time. That if I ever have a problem where I'm putting on weight or I'm, not eating healthy, it's usually snacking. I could down an entire box of crackers if it's Triscuits or Wheat Thins, or even just like, I love making like a cheese and meat plate, something like that. That's my vice. The first thing I cooked was probably mac and cheese. I was really good. I had like a special recipe for it and everybody always wanted it. So yeah, that'd be the first. The messy spot in my house, I would say, is probably the laundry room, because that's where I just throw everything. The dog's blankets, the towels, it just all goes in there and it's like miraculously disappears. I spend a decent amount of time in the bathroom. I don't have a crazy routine like Drew. I definitely have to shower after a dirty demo, and the hair doesn't take nearly as long as Drew would like to tell everyone it does. It takes me about 3 minutes to blow dry and about another 2 minutes to style. So I'd say all in just to do my hair is 5 minutes. It's pretty good. When I need to just focus and chill, I usually go into my bedroom and there's a bench at the bottom of the bed. I sit on that, elbow in the bed, and it's a very comfortable, quiet spot, and that's like my zen place. What is the weirdest object at home? I have a lot of weird stuff. I like to collect stuff. I think some people walk in and they see my suits of armor and they see the swords and they're like, what on earth is that? And are you living out some medieval fantasy or something? I don't know. No, I'm Scottish and I love my heritage, and I've learned a lot about it from my dad. So I'd say my medieval weaponry is probably the weirdest stuff I have.